This is facing east, and that is the Palmer Legends Championship Golf Course. Very large bird cage. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Winifred in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco designer home located on Arnold Palmer Golf Course, offered at $735,000. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Winifred in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home located on Arnold Palmer Golf Course, the Laurel Valley 9. I first will start by taking a view of the street. As I pan to my right, that would be facing south, and panning to my left, that is facing north. You can see it is on a quiet street. This home has a very deep setback. It does have a brick paver driveway. It has a 2-car garage as well. This home has no bond, and you can see it has beautiful mature landscaping. I do notice that the palm tree is trimmed. You do see the brick paver drive walkway leading up to the front of this home as well. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Jim Bell with Realty Executives. That's his contact information. I will walk up into the front of this home and show you what the front looks like. You do see there is a seating area here in the front of the home. Very inviting front part of this home. You do see the brick pavers continuing. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Well, hello, Jim. How are you?
Hi, Tim. How are you today?
I'm great.
I'm Jim Bell with Realty Executives, and this is a great new offering here in the village of Winifred on Winifred Way. And as you can see, it's just beautiful. It's got comes turnkey. Got a beautiful view of Laurel Valley, which is the very first hole, or the first hole on Laurel Valley, which is on Palmer Legends Golf Club. So help yourself and go on through.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Jim. I first will take a walk into the foyer area, and I will show the guest area as well. Here I am in the foyer area, and I do see the luxury vinyl plank floor in this beautiful living and great room area. Off to the left, you do see a guest quarters, and you do see that it does have a sliding pocket door for privacy. This is a split bedroom gardenia model home here in the village of Winifred. You do see the luxury vinyl floor continuing in this guest bedroom. It has very high ceilings, a good acoustic texture. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective on the size of this room. I will walk in and I will show you the rest of this home. This bedroom does have bifold raised panel doors on the bedroom, on the closet as well. I will show you what the closet looks like. It does have a wire rack shelf in that closet. You do have raised panel doors on the entry as well. I do see that this beautiful flooring continues. Here in the guest bathroom, I do see it has wood cabinets for mica countertops, 1 sink, very neutrally decorated. That tower, tub, and shower surround. The shower surround is tiled, and you notice it has glass block window to let in light. This is gorgeous. That flooring in the bathroom looks like it is vinyl or linoleum. This is a bedroom located in the front of the home. The front of the home does face west. It is being used right now as an office space. You see many built-in cabinets in this room as well. Very nice. That is a Formica countertop on the office desk. Raised panel cabinets in here as well. Next, I will walk into the living room area and take a look at what that looks like. Here we are in the living room area. I am in the foyer, and off to the right is the kitchen, and I will visit that area a little bit later in the video. Thanks for liking. This is the living area. It does have very high acoustic textured ceilings. That is your kitchen area. It has Formica countertops as well. Here we are. It has oak cabinets with bronze hardware. This kitchen is beautiful. It has a mirrored backsplash. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. It does have a gas range as well. And it has a dinette in the front. Very nice island Formica countertops. It has a 2-bowl sink there as well. I will walk into the primary bedroom area. This is the primary bedroom. It has the vinyl floors. That is a king-size bed to give you perspective. Very high acoustic textured ceilings. This is a turnkey home. What you see goes with this home. Very nice. I will walk into the primary bathroom. Very long hallway with 2 walk-in closets. The first walk-in closet to the left has a sliding pocket door. Very high ceilings. That door is locked. I will walk into the bathroom area. It has the vinyl floors. There is your linen closet, bifold doors. It has a separate commode space with a sliding pocket door. It does have a shower with a tile surround. Your commode does have a window in it. Has a swinging door on that shower. It is a tiled shower. Very neutral. There is a seat in that shower as well. There is your vanity in your primary bathroom. It has 2 sinks, window, very light. Has a space for sit and powder your nose. I will walk out into the back of this home next. The primary bedroom does have sliding glass doors out into the lanai. That's a very large lanai. This is a gardenia model designer home. It has 2,009 square feet. Here is your laundry area. Acoustic textured ceilings. That is a solar tube in the ceiling there. The garage is a 2-car garage. It does have newly epoxied floors. Those floors are in very good condition. The golf cart does go with the home, I am told. As always, please contact Jim Bell, your listing agent. If you have any questions about this home, there is your hot water heater in the corner right there. That will be your mechanicals. That will be your HVAC system. It is a 2-car garage. It is a block and stucco home. Next, I will walk out into the lanai area. First, I'll show you the dining room and living room area. Very high acoustic textured ceilings, vinyl floors. Very bright, very nice. Very large lanai. This lanai has tile floors. That is your sliding patio door into the primary bedroom. This is facing east, and that is the Palmer Legends Championship Golf Course. Very large bird cage. This home will be good for entertaining. Very large bird cage. That appears to be a pattern on a concrete floor here under the birdcage area. Let's go and take a look at this backyard and the beautiful Palmer Legends golf course. Look at the live oak trees. Look at the beauty of those live oak trees on Palmer Legends golf course. That is the back of your home there, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, gardenia model, built in 2004, list price $735,000. That is the side of your home there. That is the back of your home. How nice is that? I believe that's hole number 1 on the Laurel Valley 9 of Palmer Legends. Let's take a walk back into this home. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home. Very nice, very light and bright. This home shows really well. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Please contact Jim Bell if you have any questions about this home. He will help you. I will walk out into the front of this home. I'll give you one last panoramic view of the home. We are now walking west. I'll give you a panoramic view. That is looking right. This home is located at 877 Winifred Way. List price $735,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco designer home. It is a gardenia model. Please feel free to pause the video at any point. I will turn the spec sheet over so you can have the room dimensions. There are your room dimensions. Primary bedroom is 18 by 13.7. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me. Located here in the village of Winifred, this 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home located on a golf course is offered at $735,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.